Now we come to this not so difficult session that we call Python read and write text file. All programs need to input to process and output to display data. And everything needs a file as named storage compartments on computer that are managed by OS. The variables provide us a way to store data while the program runs. If we want out data to persist even after the termination of the program, we have to save it to a file. You can see this picture. This picture says that when you open, if you want to write in the file or read out the file, you got to open the file first. Then after your job have done, you got to close the file again. So here are some modes. Here's some mode of the open command. Here says mode. The mode have different kind of mode, like read, like write, like append, read and write mode, and also write and read mode. Okay, and after that you can do read a line or read lines, which means many lines in the same time. Here shows some example of Python file reading. And then here is Python writing. I also have some example for you. So after you jot down, you have to do a closing the file. It says file object close. And both in read or write, you gotta do a with statement in the beginning. Here I also list two of the tutorial file in here. Okay, now you can see the examples that I have for you. Here are some examples that I want to show you. The first one is read text. So we open the idle and then file open, desktop, and then see this one, and then go into the open file, see the read text. Okay, for this code, it open the text-0.txt. So you can check here. This one. It will read this file. You got to have this one ready for this program to read the text. Okay, then here are some code to read the line. Okay, if you see the mode says R, means that it wants to read the data from the text -0. So run it, and then we read these 5 lines inside here, and also the next one I put some numbers in the beginning of the lines. And the first one is read a line and print a space, line fit. And this one is 8 number in the beginning, and this one is read 1 after 1. Okay, this is the file of examples to read the files. And let's see the next. The next one I want to show you is write. So this is write in. Right. Okay, this one is File, open, and then okay, see this one, right, mode is right, okay, then write in text. So we will write this line inside the write in text. Write in text is here. 2 lines, one is this line, the next line is this one. And between these 2 lines, we have line fit in between. Okay, so see the next one. Next one is our assignment. So we are wrong. No. File open. How about this one? Write and read file. Okay, see this one will write in this line will write in data in, write data in. So we can check the file here. Write the data in. Here, this one. As I had the command lines here, this program will generate a R random number between 50 to 100. And then it will generate the R number of 1 to 1000 of R numbers in here. And then we hope you can read this file in. Read this file in. And then here, read this file in. And sum up with all the numbers to see the total number. Okay, so this is very easy and even easy, but important. Besides these 2, we also want you to write 2 files. The first one is ASCII table. Using the ASCII code, let me run the program to show you. Okay, file, and then ASCII table. If you run this ASCII table and save your printing out into this file, the file comes out like this. ASCII table, okay? The ASCII table have the ASCII character and also the decimal ASCII number and hexadecimal ASCII number. I put 3 rows in here, 3 columns. So the ASCII was starting from 32, which is space, down to 128. This is also one of the examples I want you to practice. And then the next one. Next one is numerical system. So I say file and open. Open the okay, this one, numerical system. And then you can run. Something you have to set this into a file. Put this inside a file. You can see there are decimal, octo, hexadecimal, hectadecimal. So totally 4 sets of the columns. And then the number is from 0 to 15. Okay, list all the different numerical system and the numbers in this file. Okay, this is the chapter of open files, read and write. And I hope you can learn this easy and important unit.